Hi guys, this is day 2 of doing Mace PvP until I get low tier 3, which will probably take years. I am never gonna get good at this game mode. You might think, well, Ethan, you literally just popped him. Do you see there? I forgot to even take off my chest plate. And half the time I'm popping from full damage. See? Oh my gosh, yes, I might win this. For once. Oh, I can't even... Here. Oh my gosh, GG. Oh my gosh. That was aura. Hey guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment your ideas down below of what kits I should try and play next. Okay, bye.